To create a lead magnet in a Thinkific account, the process is relatively straightforward. The first step is to log into the account and navigate to the home screen, where you'll find the option to create a new digital download by clicking on the Products section, represented by 3 geometric shapes. From the drop-down menu, select Digital Downloads, which will take you to a page displaying all existing lead magnets. To create a new one, click the blue button labeled New Digital Download. Thinkific has a built-in AI feature that can help format the lead magnet and landing page. To utilize this, provide as much information as possible about the lead magnet, including the target audience, its purpose, and what users can expect to gain from it. This information will help the AI generate a more effective landing page. Once the description is written, click the Create button to initiate the AI process. The system will then generate a landing page based on the provided information. The resulting page can be edited to better fit specific needs, with options to change text, images, and other elements. After editing the landing page, proceed to the pricing section to determine whether the lead magnet will be free or require a one-time payment. For a free lead magnet, the next step is to upload the digital download file, which can be a guide, ebook, or other type of document. This file will be dispensed to users after they enter their information on the landing page. After uploading the file, add a cover image and write a description for the product. These elements will appear on the landing page and should be attractive and informative to encourage users to sign up. Finally, click Publish to make the landing page live, and share the URL on social media or other platforms to start collecting leads.